Indian food is impossible without spices, and today's video is all about spices. So I'm going to show you all the masalas or spices that you're going to need for basic cooking. So let's take a look. Here I have a traditional masala dabba which is there in every Indian household and is being used since yesteryears. Generally, these masala dabbas come with these different bowls or compartments which are convenient to use in everyday cooking. This is Haldi or turmeric, which has healing properties and gives your curries or your vegetables a gorgeous color. Turmeric has antiseptic properties and is also high on antioxidants. Haldi doodh, or now known as turmeric latte, is consumed during sickness, and also haldi is used in every other Indian recipes. Red chilli has a hot, pungent aroma with a strong bite to it. It also helps in weight loss as it generates heat in the body. Coriander powder or dhaniya powder is used in everyday cooking in most recipes. This improves bone and heart health. Just like coriander powder, roasted cumin seed powder is also used in most Indian cooking. It has high iron content. This improves bone and heart health. Garam masala is a spice blend of a lot of whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaves, red chilli, etc. It's used in small quantities as it gives good aroma and is good for your immune system. Mustard seeds or rye is used in most Indian tadkas and it has a pungent flavor. It not only stimulates appetite but is also good for digestion. Cumin seeds or jeera is used in most temperings or tadka and is a cooling spice. These are the basic spices that go in a masala box, but there are a few more that I'm going to show you. So here I have some asafoetida or hing as we call it. This is also a tempering spice or a tadka spice. When added in ghee or oil, it gives an amazing aroma, but you shouldn't smell it directly as it has a very raw and pungent aroma. AMCHUR powder or raw mango powder has a very nice tangy or sour flavor. It is packed with vitamins A, C and D. It gets rid of harmful toxins and detoxifies the body. Chaat masala is a spice blend of AMCHUR, pepper powder, cumin seed powder, etc. It adds a very nice zingy flavor to the food. It is generally sprinkled on pakoras, sandwiches, fruits, etc. Pepper powder is a very heaty spice. It hits the throat when eaten in large quantities. It detoxifies your body, rich in vitamin B, potassium and produces calcium. These are some of the basic spices that are used in everyday cooking. And now moving on to the whole spices. Cinnamon is used as a stick and as well as in powdered form. It is known to improve gut health and also lowers blood pressure. Bay leaf is used as it is in tempering and it adds a nice flavor to biryanis and pulaus. It is also a good source of vitamin A, B6, C. These vitamins are all known to support healthy immune system. Cardamom pods or ELAICHI holds tiny little black seeds inside. The seeds are taken out and used whole in cooking or in the form of powder. It's used in a lot of Indian cooking, whether it is vegetables, rice or even desserts. Often eaten as a mouth freshener, and it also reduces inflammation. Coriander seeds or dhaniya is grinded and is used as coriander powder. It contains iron, magnesium and dietary fiber. These sauf or fennel seeds, these might look like cumin seeds, but when looked closely, they are actually greener and wider. These are also dry roasted and used with tiny sugar candies to make mouth fresheners or after meals. Fennel seeds are known for digestive qualities. Clove or long is extensively used in Indian cooking. The flavor it imparts to the food is strong and warm. Clove is mostly used to flavor spicy food where the whole clove is cooked in oil or ghee. Black cardamom or badi elaichi has an intense flavor which emerges as they are cooked slowly and for a prolonged period of time. That is why it is used a lot in braising food or flavoring Indian curries, stews, lentils and pulaus. Black peppercorns is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. This again is used in making garam masalas, an integral part of kadas because of its medicinal properties. Methi seeds or fenugreek seeds are slightly bitter in taste, but is very good for digestion. It is also used as a tempering spice or can be soaked for 5 to 6 hours, boiled and used in vegetables, or can be made into a paste which boosts hair growth.
Any more information that we need to keep in mind?
So basically, powdered blends are made by roasting the whole spices. When you roast the whole spices, it releases their natural oils which intensifies the flavors. Also, the masalas should be stored in airtight containers in a dry place. This was some basic information about all the spices that you will need for everyday Indian cooking. If you have any more queries, do comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.